All right, we got a big announcement the other day. Freddie Mac is now allowing us to offer the home possible terms on their Choice Renovation product. We're able to go up to 95% LTV owner occupied on 1 to 4 unit properties. This is huge. This is going to compete directly with the FHA 203K. This is going to have the same benefits today as what a conventional loan has over an FHA loan, non-renovation. In addition, with Home Possible, we're going to be able to go up to 49.99% debt ratio as long as LP approves. This is huge. I want to create awareness around this as there's not another product currently on the market like this. This is something that needs to be shared with our clients, with our referral partners. If you have any questions, any clients that you're working with or agents that need to hear this, let me know how I can help. I would love the opportunity to educate and share. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.